So Mike is doing the shifter cables. Check it out. He had to bore that hole right there. In order for him to do that without removing the dash, he had to take this out, like drill out the weld taps on this. I mean, when we're gonna get ready to put it back in, we're just gonna use bolts, you know. But you gotta drill this out just so you can get down there to make it look at least a little neat out the way, as he does with the Chancy Fab. Around here, get this stuff sorted. Of course, he's using our bracket, shifter cable bracket. If you guys don't want to use the CR-V sloppy shifter, you can use Accord and TSX, right?
Yeah, this is it's called the B2K shifter bracket adapter. So with this one, instead of you using like the 97 to 01 CR-V shift box, then you would just, instead of that, use the TSX or the Accord shifter box, which is similar to the RSX, but the push and pull of it is actually different from the RSX. That's why you can't use those with this setup. So basically this will allow you to use a lot of those aftermarket shift box applications, such as, you know, a K-Tune shift box or Acuity or any of those that, you know, have better profile to them. You know, they look a lot nicer in the car, and they, you know, shift a lot better as well.
Sweet, sweet. But check it out, guys. Johnny, brake tuck master, he started the brake stuff. He's can't wait till this is done. Doing them little hide and seek, tuck, king tuck. Rude boy, king tuck. Get it, king tuck? You a fear of my youth?